Hello, my name is Noman Kazi. I am studying Masters in Data Analytics at National College of Ireland. Data Warehousing and Business Intelligence project. For this, the title is Demography. Let me take you to the sources. The first source is from Statista. This is from 2009 to 2017, covering all the continents of the health club around the world. The second source is from OECD, Youth Not in Employment and Education and Training. My third source of data is from Kaggle, which is the whole CSV file being downloaded in. My fourth data set is from Our World in Data, Economic Inequality, where I have downloaded data about wage gap between gender and the gender gap, which is being downloaded in CSV format. And my fifth source of data is an unstructured data, which is from Twitter. Let me show you my R cleaning code. As we can see, this is my R cleaning code. I have formed one single file for all the cleaning of data. I have cleaned all the data as per required of my business intelligence. Filtered, as one of the example I would use is the filter that is being used to eliminate are not necessary files. Null values being handled by main or be populated by 0. Let me take you to SSIS. This is my whole chart. The first is the executive process task, where I have put the R script for automation, which is being then put by truncate program. As truncate is a process that would execute multiple times, that is why we populated before the segmentation. Dimension and fact table are dropped because of primary key and foreign key. Let me execute this program. Everything in this hierarchy is being automated, including my cube. As you can see, all the successful deployment of my cubes have been done. Let me show you my cube. This is my star schema, having 3 dimensions: country, year, and continent, of my one fact table, which has all the measures. Coming to the browse, and it has all the dimensions of continent, country, and year. Let us go ahead to Tableau. My first query is gender gap and population that has or may have an effect on our fertility rate. Here, my dimension are country and all the measures that I have taken, that is first gender gap, second is the total population, the third is total fertility. As we can see from the chart here, Japan has the highest number of gender gap in percentile, whereas Slovenia has the minimum number of them. This makes us believe that gender gap and population has effect on our fertility. The second BI query is on wage. Let me just get it right. Yes. As you can see, we have taken 2 dimensions, country and year. Our measures are ratio in percentage, that is the wage, total fertility, and the values, which is youth not in employment. We can see Lithuania has the minimum number of fertility, that is 1.5, and the value of 5.18, and it really goes on increasing with the population. So I want to discuss here is the wage is not really the wage is inversely related with youth in employment, and it has no effects on the fertility. The third BI query here is the health club. Europe has the maximum number of health club around the world, whereas Asia has the minimum number of them, and how fertility affects them. Thank you. This is my DWBI project.